On today's video, we're gonna replace this carpet tiles that we took off because they put new sliding doors in here, so they had to remove the carpet tiles. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to dry fit, make sure everything fits. So, start off with this mirror. There. There. I'm going to be using this Henry 356 and this 1/8 inch notch trowel. Okay, what we do is we just put this on the floor and apply a real thin coat with the notch side down. There it is there. We got a real thin coat. So we're gonna let that tack up. We'll let it tack up and then we'll put our tiles in. So right here we're in Fort Myers, Florida. It's real humid out here. So it's kind of warm today. It's like 95 degrees. So we let this baby tack up on us. Then we'll come back and I'll show you guys how I install the tiles. Okay, when it's tacky, it's ready. It's ready. See how it's tacky? All right, let's go ahead and install it. There it is there. Got the carpet in. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.